English dictation 100 words per minute start. Now availability of found has been the main problem given the tariff policy and the way in which our state electricity boards are functioning. There is no chance of any internal resources generation. The net rate of return by the state electricity boards is estimated to be a negative 80%. If we want to have a 0% rate of return, then we will have to increase the average tariff by 38 paise. We now the political will for increasing the power tariff. If we want to get a rate of return of 3%, then the average rate per unit would have to be increased by 43 paise. The electricity law amendment about the regulatory commission which this house passed recently is a step in this direction, but I do not think that this government has been able to generate the political will across the party line. The entire policy to agree to a reasonable tariff policy. I think the government must continue to take the initiative so that the tariff are not distorted. Sir, only 40% of the energy that is produced on revenue, the rest 60% of the energy goes either uncalled for losses for commercial losses, which are nothing but euphemisms for debt or as unmaterial supply to various sectors. The high T and D losses, the technical losses are because of adequate transmission and distribution network. Therefore, upgrading transmission and distribution network to achieve optimum plant's load factor has to be the top priority, keeping the overall power scenario in this country in view. The formation of the power grid in the year 1989 was major step in this direction. Now what is the investment that is required in the ninth plan? Some documents say that an investment of rupees 56,000 crore is required now. They talk of generating a capacity of 40,000 megawatt and also of an investment of rupees 4 crore per megawatt, meaning thereby an investment of rupees 1,60,000 crore in the generating sector. Then they have to be spending a similar amount in transmission and distribution by their own argument, so that need is anything between rupees 56,000 crore as per documents and about rupees 1,22,000 crore according to the farmer chief of the power grid has talked about. So the need is enormous. The power grid alone and the state electricity boards together can only invest something like rupees 20,000 crore through their internal resources generation. The rest has to come from the private resource.